Hello, we're here at Kersey Mobility. We're in our Sumner branch today, and we're going to show you a ProMaster that's wheelchair accessible. So, this ProMaster is a short wheelbase. Okay, it's made by REV. It's wheelchair accessible from the rear. So you can get vehicles, small ones, big ones. This is more of a mid-size vehicle. And it does have rear access that's kind of unique too. So let me show you how it works. Here's our rear doors that open up, and here is a nice sized ramp. Take off the little safety strap, and stand right here. And there you go. So, come up the ramp, you go inside, and there's multiple seats here. One of the really cool features about this is, and benefits is, you can have multiple seats. These also can be positioned at different spots too. So in this case we have 1, 2, 3, 4 in the middle section, plus 2 up front. Again, these all can be taken out, all of them out. You can have easily 1, 2, 3, even 4 wheelchairs in here, all with a full-size, mid-size vehicle. Nice commercial grade flooring, the tracking, again up front as well. So, go back here again. There also is an optional wider ramp too. This is the 36-inch version. How do we fold it back up? Same thing. Put our little safety strap there. Nice and quiet ride. Put it back on. Close it up. We can also show you the side of the vehicle too. Here's the rear. This one has a single side door slider, manual. And there you go. Other ProMasters can have dual sliding doors too, which is nice. You can have power. You could even go to another ProMaster option and put a lift on the side, which is good too. That we have one right behind us. It has that configuration. This one here we have today, and it's a REV ProMaster 136 wheelbase here at Kersey Mobility in Sumner.